Number 5, 11 times 9 is 99. 6, if we take 20 and divide it by 8, goes in there 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16, and we get a remainder of 4. Number 7, what is this worth? Oh, dollar, 25, 50, 75, 85, so $1.85. Fraction that's shaded, there are 5 pieces shaded out of the 6, so it would be 5/6. Number 9, 6 cups is how many pints? There's 2 cups in every pint. So every 2 gives us a pint. So if we have 6 cups, there's a pint, there's a pint, there's a pint. That gives us 3 pints. Okay? You can draw pictures for it. Okay? And the measurement shown by the arrow. Hopefully you see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sections. The arrow is at the third one out of the 4. So it'd be at 3/4. But this is 1 whole inch, so it'd be 1 3/4 inches. Quickly get that recorded. Any questions, I guess, before we close this up? Okay? All right. So get that closed, put away, and record it, please. Okay, look. And then on your assignment, the box method looks like that. You can check that quickly. Multiplying by each digit, the 7 and the 6 would look like this. And then the algorithm like this. Please check over those 3. In all of them, you should have gotten the same product. Yes? What's your date? 10. Any questions on the box method? I feel like a lot of you are getting really good at that. Any questions on this method? I feel like many of you are getting pretty good at this method. It's almost like the box method. We're just doing each individual section here. Writing them out like this is helpful. Any questions on this method? Okay. You may get that put away then. I want you to have out paper for notes. And then in your cubbies over there, you should have found a paper that looks like this. It has the multiples for 2 through 10. I want that front and center. If by chance You don't have this paper with you at home when you're needing it. In the virtual classroom, I've attached it on the resource page. I also put it in Google Classroom. So you've got a paper copy, you've got it in Google Classroom, and you've got it on the resource page in the virtual classroom. So there's no reason not to have this viewed available to you. Okay? All right. I put it on everybody's shelf. Unless you already dropped it. You picked it up probably with your other papers. It's right there. I see yours right there. And you can see what's in with your science papers that you picked up. Okay, that was my science stuff. Yours is right here on the floor when you do several other things that you couldn't find, sir. Let's go. I'm putting it in the resources. Okay. I know, I'm putting in the resources and making it longer. All right. Now, we're going to be using this list so that when we are looking for multiples, we have a quick reference we can use. Because what I don't want happening is you not knowing your multiples to slow down the end of the process. Okay? So be a quick reference for you. We're going to do some division problems, but we're going to be breaking down our division using our multiples. Our first problem is going to be 126 divided by 6. 126 divided by 6. We're going to use a box method. I'm sure your parents have never seen this box method unless they had a student go through here recently. We're going to relate it back to the distributive property. This tells us that we're dividing it into 6 rows. Okay? Now, we're going to take that 126 and we're going to divide it into 2 groups because 126 is pretty hard for us to work with. But when I look at 126, I can see 2 multiples of 6 real easily. Okay? I can see 12 and I can see 6. Those are both multiples of 6. But it's not really 12, it's 120 plus 6. Does that make sense to everybody? I broke 126 into 120 plus 6. And those are both multiples of 6. Any question on that? Okay? Yes, no? And if I think about the distributive property, do you see that this is 6 multiplied by the sum of 120 plus 6? Do you see that's distributive property? Yes? Yes, yes? Okay? All right. So, now I need to ask myself, what's 120 divided by 6? Well, what's 12 divided by 6? 2. Well, it's not 12, it's 120, so instead of 20. There we go. There we go. Good job. Who said that? Good job. Well, what's 6 divided by 6? 1. 1. What's 20 plus 1? 21. So our answer is 21. Whoa. Example number 2. Example number 2. Wow. We're going to do 153 divided by 3. Your box. We're dividing by 3. We're dividing by, oh, whoops. Oh, almost a pound. Can I undo it? Yeah, I can if I move this out of my way. There we go. We are dividing by 3, so it goes here. So this is like having 3 rows, right? Right? Okay. When I look at 153, what multiples of 3 do you see?
3 divided by 3.
So I see 3.
15.
And instead of 15, it's actually 150. So this is 150 plus 3. Does everybody understand that this is 150 plus 3? Do we get that? Yes, no? And do you understand we chose those numbers because these are both multiples of 3?
Yeah.
Because there's lots of ways I could divide up 150, but I want it to be multiples of 3. Do we understand that?
Yeah.
Okay? What is 15 divided by 3? 5. But it's not going to be 5 because this is 150 divided by 3, which means it is 50. Okay? What's 3 divided by 3? 1.
It would be
50 plus 1 is
51.
51. So far, so good?
Yes.
Okay? All right. Are you taking notes? Okay. Example 3. Example 3 is 244 divided by 4. 244 divided by 4. We're dividing by 4, so it'd be like having 4 rows. Does that make sense? How can I divide 244 up with multiples of 4? What do you see there? Charles?
4 divided by 4.
So 4 is going to be over here, right? All right, if I take out 4, what does this leave me with? What does it leave me with?
140.
Look again.
100.
240. Is 24 a multiple of 4? If you don't know, look at your multiples page. Look down the 4s. Is 24 in that list?
Yes.
Is 24 in that list?
Yes.
Okay, then we're good. Do you understand how to use that list?
Yes.
Okay. What would 240 divided by 4 be? Well, look at that list. In your multiples of 4, count down until you get to 24. How many did you count? Look again. 6. So this is going to be 60. 4 divided by 4 is? Is it always going to be a 1 there? No. No, no, no. I picked out easy ones to start with. Do we understand that? Okay? We're going to ramp it up. Okay? But I picked out easy ones to start with. Are we okay so far? Any questions so far? Yes?
Are we going to be doing this from homework?
No, you know what, Charles? I think I'll pick something totally different, like fractions, to do for homework. Because I'm not going to talk about fractions, but I'll assign fractions. What do you think?
Good idea.
Okay, that's what I usually do. I teach a concept and assign something totally different. You think that's a good teaching style?
Yeah.
All right, next one. 305 divided by 5. Try that one on your own. Try that one on your own. All right, how are we going to split this up? Well, first off, what number goes out here? Adriana? Pardon? Okay. Do we have to put rows here?
No.
No. Does it help you?
Yes.
Maybe. If it helps you, certainly put it there. Does that make sense? Okay. How are we splitting out this 305? How are we splitting that up?
So I found one thing so far that I found right. So 5. Divided by 1. That's 5.
So you did 5 over here, but what did you do here?
300.
All right, so you did 300 plus 5. All right?
Which is 305.
Okay, good. So you did that split of 300 plus 5. Okay. All right. What goes here, folks? 60. What goes here? 1.
1.
All right. Okay. We good? Okay. All right. Our next one. 312 divided by 6. Is this number 5?
Yeah, number 5. Yeah.
Got it.
This is number 4. Yeah.
No, this is number 5 because she did 2 and 2. 312 divided by 6. I just upped the ante.
Are we supposed to do that or not?
What multiple of 6 do you see you could take out right away? Not 6. 12. 12. 12. What does that leave me with? 300. What am I dividing by? 6. And for you guys, you like to put 6 rows. Go ahead and work on here. What?
I was saying I'll get that homework. I'll try to find my homework.
Bruce, you got 5 seconds. Get it together and let's go.
I see it.
What is 300 divided by 6?
I know.
What's 300 divided by 6? Hey. What? Well, 50. Plus 2. This is our 52. Yes.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Questions on that one? Questions on that one? Oh, I answered up, and some of you went. Okay. 300 divided by 6 is 50. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I understand.
12 divided by 6 is 2. And 50 plus 2 is 52. Okay. Oh dear, here we go, number 6. Number 6. 248 divided by 4.
Ooh.
Quit it. Fine. What? Somebody give me their split.
Wait, we're doing minus?
No.
That's division.
You can't take that.
Oh, are these too small?
Oh,
Division.
no. Okay.
Somebody give me your split. What did you do?
200 divided by 48.
200 plus 48? On the box? Is that what you did? And we're dividing by 4, right? What is 200 divided by 4?
Oh, yeah, I did it wrong.
What's 20 divided by 4? So this would have to be 50, right? Now, what's 48 divided by 4? Well, look at your list. Does it go that high? Huh? 12, which gives us 62.
Dang it.
Did anybody split it out any other way?
Oh. I did. I did 240 plus 8.
What's 24 divided by 4?
50. Well, it's technically 5.
24 divided by 4 is what?
Oh, it's big.
It's 60.
So that would be 60 plus 2 gives us 62.
Whoa.
Okay? Write that one down.
I feel like this could be.
Oh, I got it wrong then. Because I did 50.
Look, is this 240 plus 8 equal to 248?
No.
Is that true? Is this true?
Yes. Yes.
Did it give us the same result? Yes.
It's just a different way.
Okay? Let me show you another option. You should be writing. What if I had done this? 200 plus 40 plus 8.
Wait, what? You can do that? Oh my God.
Is 200 plus 40 plus 8 equal to 248?
Yes.
Are all three of these multiples of 4?
Yeah.
Okay?
Watch
This would equal 50. This would equal 10. This would equal 2. And it adds up to 62. Write that one down.
I quit.
You have to start in order to quit.
I did start, now my brain's blowed up, I can't finish. Here's the thing is, every time my brain is not blowed up.
how you split it apart, as long as you do it correctly, no. These all have to be multiples of whatever you're dividing by, right? Okay? And these all have to add up to this.
I'm glad we are doing this for multiple.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay? So, I'm going to stop there for today. We're going to practice some more with this tomorrow before I set you free on your own. Your Place It Right is due tomorrow. If you want to work on that now, that would be a good time and good use of your time. Alexis?
So if I did that, you need to.
Sure.
But if there's a whole room right now, so how is it?
Yes, it is.
Because you can add boxes.
That's how we're relating it, back and forth, yes. Any other questions? Yes.
Can you do it